Hello, first graders. Our target skill for today is I can proofread and revise my personal narrative. I can publish the final copy of my personal narrative. What does that mean? So yesterday, boys and girls, you worked very hard on drafting your personal narrative. Today, you are going to proofread and revise. You are going to look for mistakes in your writing and look for ways to make your writing more exciting. For some extra tips and tricks on how to revise your writing, watch the video on the next slide. After you have proofread or looked for mistakes and revised, made your writing more exciting, it's time for the final copy. It's time to publish your writing. So you can see that I have corrected some of my mistakes on this page. I forgot to add a period and a title, and I used more specific language so that my writing would be more exciting. Then, on a brand new sheet of paper, I wrote my story again. I wrote the same story again, but this time I fixed my mistakes. And I drew a picture to go with it. Notice how I did my first grade best handwriting and my first grade best drawing and coloring to fill this paper. I even went on to the back. Alrighty, super writers, I cannot wait to read your personal narratives. I'll see you next time.